Mhm. Shut up. Because I'm here to teach you about how to do your learn about I'm here to teach you how to do your let me set up straight. Ukuthi siyibhala kanjani our list. Manifestation list for the whole year. My phone is flat, but I want to teach you. It's not a train smash, guys. It's not a ritual. It's not the things that you think it is. So I'm waiting for everybody to tell me who they are ready, Bona. I'm ready and we're gonna do this right now. I need you to have your pen and your paper. I'm not having a good day, guys. I miss my mom so much. But life goes on. So I want you to be intentional about this year. And getting we are trying to build like I don't do things I don't tell people things that ingingazenzanga. So I've done them and they manifested. So you must just have your blank piece of paper and your pen, any kind of pen. Guys, this is not a ritual. It's not a spell. It's nothing like that. It's just your vision board. You don't need anything specific. Sorry. You just need to write this year. This is going to happen. So and so and so is going to happen. So ready, the sharp. I'm lazy to go fetch a pen. I'm lazy to go fetch a pen for myself to do an illustration for you guys. But if you guys are ready, what is the most thing that you want in 2026? When you have your pen and paper, write it down now as number one. Hori, my name igama lami mina uNtokozo. So Ntokozo has a red car. 2026, right? 2026 on the top of your page. Please tell me when you're done writing that. Your name, 2026, and then your name under. Tell me when you're done. Ngimele nina ukuthi ningitshene. Angiboni in comment. That's ukuthi you guys don't have your papers. Okay, Mpanom, yes. Guys, don't mind my black lips. I am drinking something that is black. Okay. 2026 and your name. Right? Number one. Guys, mina in my achievements this year, number one for me, and I'm going to be specific. Number one for me, I want a white Picanto. I already did my vision board. I mean, Mame, you can't show on the video, stand up.
I need you to come here.
Why?
I need you to show you something.
I'm gonna come just now. Ne? Number one that I've written in my vision board is a white Picanto. Be specific, guys. Now I wrote white Picanto. That is my first manifestation. Write yours. It's okay even if you comment your first manifestation on this live. You are manifesting. Say done when you have finished writing that. So we can go to number two. I want us to manifest 5 things. Number two, my second manifestation. Ne? I have a job, right? But I want a healthy working environment. So that's my point number two. A healthy working environment with a high paying job. That's my number two. When you're done writing your number two, say done. So we can go to number three. Actually, we're making five. Ne? And at the end of the five manifestation, I'm gonna give you a ritual to cleanse yourself. This is the first Sunday, guys. We have to cleanse. Ooh, and for the flat. We have to cleanse. We have to do everything. Guys, you have to fight in life. You can't always be crying. Cry, cry, and who's gonna help you? Nobody cares. Help yourself. Okay, I've had a comment says we are done. We are going to number three. Ne? My number three is materialistic. I want Louis Vuitton shoes. That's my number three. That's my number three. I don't know what is yours, but my number three is Louis Vuitton shoes. After you write your number three, tell me. And you guys see that the rain is coming. The rain is coming. The rain is coming. We are going on to number four. My number four, ne, is for me to have my own house. My own house. I don't want a bond. I said my own paid house. That's my number four on the list. And then I'm gonna move on to my number five. Guys, I know it seems weird, but I'm praying my number five. I want my child to have a relationship with his dad. They do, but it's not ngendlela engifuna ngayo. Okay, that's my number five. We are done with the manifestation list. So now the rain is coming. Rainwater is very, very, very powerful because it comes where? From God and His clouds. So it's very. You will get your divorce decree, my love. Do not give up. Okay. And this thing that I'm gonna give you now is gonna clear a lot of you guys' parts. It's gonna, even if it doesn't do much for you, but it's gonna give you like a sense of free feelings or feel that a whole load is lift off your shoulders. Guys, today there was one. There were people that I made a video. I know that I speak fast. Yes, do you guys think that I speak fast? Should I slow down a bit? I'm moving too fast. But anyway, I made a video telling my followers, Hori, it's raining outside and there's no thunder. Go collect that water. To you guys that listened to me and went to go collect that water, now we are going to use it at 6 o'clock. Please don't miss it at 6 o'clock. Please don't miss it. Even if you didn't collect the rainwater, it's okay. I'm getting you didn't listen, but it's okay. You can get your tap water. Yesterday there was such bad thunderstorms. That's why I said today. Today there was no thunderstorms. It was just clear rain. But if you couldn't get rain, like if you couldn't get rainwater, you can get tap water. Take your normal shower, like ugeze, the way that you normal geza. And then, if you have grof salt, whether you have the grof salt or not, pray over your water. Tell your water, Hori, my water, this is what I want. I've manifested through my 2026. This is what I want. And my is raining up, but with wind and mild thunderstorm. No, you can't get water with thunderstorm. Please don't. Use normal tap water. Mix it with cloth salt. Pray over that water. Tell that water what you want. And you want that water to cleanse you. Tell that water as I'm pouring you over my body. You are cleansing my soul. You are cleansing the things that are blocking me. Do you understand? Do you guys get that? As I am pouring you over me, you are cleansing. I know most of you don't know what to say when you are doing the cleansing ritual. I'm giving you examples. As I am pouring you over me, you are clearing the bad luck that is following you. You are opening doors that was shut without justice. Everything that is said against my name, it's going back to those who had opened their mouth with my name. Indlela zami ziyakhanya. Ngicela ukukhanya. Guys, I am setting an example for you. But you can say whatever that you want to say in your water prayer. Uzinyakaze and believe hore it's happening. Kwayenzeka. Mina guys, I had the vision board and let me show you my place. I'm not bragging. It's not a brag. How do we turn our camera here? Oh, I can't, Hashem. I wanted to show you my house. But all of this happened because of my vision board. I wrote last year. I wrote on my vision board, I want to move from where I was living. I moved. I was staying in Joburg. I'm in Pretoria now. I have my own place. I have a job, and I can't say everything is okay, but I'm happy. Understand? Write 5 things. And the guys, I don't want you to say, "Oh, I wrote the 5 things. They are not manifesting." Again, next, what are you doing to help those things? Bathini, uNkulunkulu unceda lo ozincedayo. You can't say I'm manifesting a house and then uhlala endlini ulale. I'm waiting for a house to come to me. No. Incedise leyo manifestation yakho. Incedise leyo manifestation yakho. I'm waiting for my husband to come back. What are you doing? Bamthathe ngesichitho. Okay, sharp. We understand that. No dakha bakuthathele yona ngesichitho. So what are you doing to get your husband back? Uhleli. Umele impilo iserve justice. Hey. Guys, ngiyabuya. Run bond ethi ngiyophakela umntanami. Ngifuna ukunithethisa ngathi angingizwa kahle. Uyakhala uthi bakufaka isichitho. But what are you doing ngaleso sichitho? You are just praying, you are just doing, uyahlenza nanama uhleli. Uhleli. uJehova uzongilwela. What are you doing to remove that sichitho? Ngiyabuya umntanami uthi ulambile ngisayomphakela. Sazonithethisa ngeza manje. Nana. Lona.
Yeah?
Ulambile mfana.
Huh? What? Making to Sophie.
So swima.
What's on Sophie?
Uyamsukela ulonwaba akalambanga. Uthekile ulambile. Okay. Yamba. Hi. Okay, guys. So we're gonna speak about isichitho. Women that says bona bashaywe ngesichitho. What are you doing? Women that says bona bashaywe ngesichitho. What are they doing? They go back to izangoma and say, "Hey, ngishaywe isichitho mina. Ngicela ukuthi ungisize." Why uye esangomeni for isichitho? Why? I'm not angry. I'm not. Trust me. But those people are the one people that allow other people ukuthi bashayane ngesichitho. Umuntu uyakhona ukuthi aye esangomeni afike athi ngicela ukuthi ushaye izibani ngesichitho. How do you trust that those people? I just want to know ukuthi umthemba kanjani umuntu okhona ukuvumela omunye umuntu ukuthi ashaye omunye umuntu ngesichitho. That is not fair. And I feel like in that sense ngiyazi ukuthi it's their job. Izangoma, they earn money from ukunika abanye abantu isichitho, but it's wrong. It's wrong ucomplicate impilo yomunye umuntu because of wena ufuna indoda nanani. If ufuna indoda ithathe. Okay. Ngeke ngithathise ngalokho. But if ufuna ukukhipha isichitho mntasekhaya yekela bomadabula, yekela ukubuya ezangomeni, yekela kwenyangeni. Guys, isichitho uyasicleara kamnandi kanjani. One step, you do uyageza. Isichitho asihlali la kugezwa khona. Uyageza njengomuntu normal ogezayo. Number 2, you must always make sure that you have a candle and grof salt. After ugeza, uyazinyakaza nge-grof salt, and when you are nyakazing yourself with the grof salt, you pray. You tell, "Ongibheka kanjalo?" Hayi. Ungangibheki kanjalo. Ngibhora. Ulona uyangibhora guys, yazi uyangiphazamisa. Ngilambile. Khona mase ungiphekele mfana wami. Kwenyama lapha esitsheni. Okay, asikisini guys, yazi ukuhlala mina umntana makafuna ama-takeaways. Akawafuni. Yo, cha, ngafuna ukuthi ngishade nendoda yomZulu. Anyway, you take your grof water. Angizwe uzothatha amanzi wakho. Especially rainwater. Guys, ngiyazi ukuthi angikhola, but rainwater, yo, it's so powerful. Uzowathela emanzini wakho uthi grof salt, uziyakaze, tell your water for today, I'm wiping this and that. Sijulile nezifembe zihamba izinyanga. Monthly, you can also do the same. Take your water and rinse yourself from everything that your ex-girlfriend has put against your name. You cleanse everything. Zizopuma with grof salt and water. Grof salt and water. And then you take your candle. This is for isichitho. Isichitho, guys. After uqeda ukuzinyakaza nge-grof salt, thatha ikhandlela lakho, uyalighta. Ngicela ufake iduku. Please don't forget iduku. Iduku uyalifaka always. And if you are a woman, ngicela ukuthi ugcoke uhlonipheke, because sikhuluma noNkulunkulu manje. Ugcoke irogo lakho, isiketi sakho, iduku lakho, and you have your candle. And then you pray against isichitho sakho. Please, ngiyanicela. I don't have a problem ngezangoma mina. I don't have a problem at all, but I don't recommend them for isichitho because I feel like it's them that are helping those people put isichitho gini. I had a lady that came to my workplace, guys. Athi I've went to wonke angisho ngintshela ukuthi ngisebenza apha manje ningilanda emsebenzini, but that's okay. But those people told her they have a curse. No, nobody has a curse. You only have a curse when you. Yazi mina mangathi ngiyakuloya manje. Ngiyakuloya ukuthi wena yazini impilo yakho ibe nzima. It's not gonna happen to you until you believe it. Example, mina ngomama bekaphila. Alright, I recover from whatever she had until ezwe ukuthi une-cancer. After ezwe ukuthi une-cancer umama washona. Ngicela ukuthi oyi-one wenu from that sentence that I've said, ngicela ukuthi angiphendule what they've learned from what I said. I want to hear ukuthi niyangizwa na. I want to hear ukuthi niyangizwa. From that sentence that I said, my mom didn't know that she had cancer, bekaphila. But the moment she heard ukuthi she has cancer, washona. I want to know if you guys are hearing me. Ukuthi ngithini by saying that. Lona uyoswima? Uyoswim? Hamba uswima ke ngizoza manje. Ungadrown ne? Ya ngiyeza manje. You guys, sho ukuthi nonke akekho noyone ongi-understandayo ukuthi ngithini. Thank you. For the fact that she didn't know that she had cancer. She was living. Mara. Because cancer has that thing where once you have it, we have. She knew that she had cancer and she believed in that stereotype. That's why she's gone. That is my saying. Ori awloyeki until you believe that uyaloyeka. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nangizwa. Today I want you guys, angifuni yazi ne nokuthi mina I'm not a sangoma, angisinyanga, angisi what whatever. But I want you to have your pen and paper and write your 5 things that you're gonna be achieving in this year. In this year. And I promise you, you're gonna achieve them. You know, there's so many things, and at this point, I'm so mad. Ngimkwatela umamami because there were times she would post on her status. Ayazi abazali banalento ukuthi bafuna ukusthreatenisha ngokugula kwabo, ngokushona kwabo nani. And she would say, yeah, khona manje ngine-cancer, nobody cares about me. Benganayo i-cancer at that time. But few years down the line, yafika i-cancer. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi in ini what I told you so. No, it's not I told you so. It's that you manifested upon your name. It doesn't matter when you say it, but at the end of the day, it's going to manifest. Whether it's 3 years, whether it's 5 years, or whether it's 10 years. Everything that you say with your mouth will manifest. And ukubi go manifest fast because you detach. After uqeda ukuthi mina nginebhadi bese uyahleka, ngisho when uthatha njenge joke bese uyahleka, and then you move on. If I knew about this earlier, ngabe ngikude. I did once nge-cinnamon yo ngavela ngafakele 1,000. Serious lelo. Serious. So I want to say, hore, when you say things ngomlomo wakho uthi, hey mina nginebhadi, mina udlala uthi mina ngathi ngingachayiswa imoto ngizivele. You think it's a joke, but one day it's going to manifest. Bad things manifest quicker than the good things. You know why? Because okuhle mawuthi ungifuna imoto, umanifest imoto so uyibhalile lapha ku vision board ne. Uyiloko uyayicabanga ukuthi ngifuna imoto. Izinto azimanifesti mawuzijaha. Mawuloko uzicabanga, uloko ufuna zimanifeste manje. Zathula zikubheke zithi. But once you manifest and you detach, that's when they manifest. That's why abantu bakhala bathi, oh, the bad things, you said we must cleanse. At 6, love, at 6 o'clock, today at 6 o'clock. Once you like you say bad things and say yo mina yazini ne uzombona babakazi bani bani uyongichithela izoyenzeka. Angisho uyishilo wena umuntu kodwa wayikhohlwa. I-universe ayikhona ukuhlukanisa phakathi kokudlala nokuba serious. It can't. Yonke into oyikhipha ngomlomo wakho yona izoyenza. Hey guys, ngiyanishiya mntanami uyosima uyoza aminzi lapha emanzini. Uyangimemeza uyoza aminzi. Do you guys have any more questions before I leave? Yes, boy. Yes. Yeah, ngisagcoka. Ngimcambela but I have to go. I'm taking the last 5 questions. Can we cleanse while on periods? Yes, we can. You are most powerful when you're on your periods, guys. Please. You are most powerful when you are on your period. Hey, Nina, but when we are on our periods. Can you tell me? I must keep the paper till when? The paper of the manifestation, don't throw it away. You must keep it until the last day of 2026 so that you can look back and tick on all of the things that manifested. Hi Lirato, you just take your pen and paper, write 5 things that you want to manifest this year. That's it. It's not a ritual, it's not a spell, it's nothing. It's just a manifestation. Where to keep the paper? Anyway, you can keep the paper anywhere that is safe for you. I'm coming! Guys, sengiyahamba manje. Senisharpne. How to cleanse? Geza ngamanzi wakho normal wensipho, and then you rinse yourself and pray over that rinsing. Hi, how to cleanse from a past relationship? Okay, you bath and then you cleanse yourself with salt water, and then when you are cleansing yourself, rinsing yourself from that salt water, you pray upon it and you let the Lord know who you are detaching from that relationship. Please don't go. I have to go. Umtanami uyaminza laphaya emanzini. Thank you. I use writing pages. It's fine. Yes, it's fine. How to get a job? I'm seeking for a new job. Do 3 days water fast. Thank you and stay blessed, baby. Thank you, Lorraine. So I can go, ne? I can go right now. Thank you so much for watching my live. I'm gonna come back tomorrow after 7. Ne? Don't forget to pray. Yeah. Do you know that God is great, guys? Don't forget God. Meaning I mustn't drink water for 3 days. No, Zakes. You must only eat after 6, which means for 3 days from 6 a.m. you'll be drinking water until 6 p.m. When 6 p.m. hits, you are going to pray and break your fast. Do you understand, Zakes? I want to go, but Zakes has to answer Hori. He understands the 3 days water fast. I understand. Alright, sharp. Anyone that wants to prosper in life, wants to succeed, do the 3 days water fast. Stay blessed. Goodbye.